crab pots out there opening. Crab pot, or crab season just opened. We've got 11 boats here from the club. That one's farthest out than us. 2 anchored up there together. Another one there, that's a Ripple Effect sailboat. Another one out there, and then there's a raft of 4 on the other side of Ripple Effect there. So 11 yacht club boats out here today, really close to the mud flats when it's low tide like it is right now. Depth sounder says we have 30 feet, but it looks like 30 feet of really muddy water. But, you know, could be worse. Just water.